All raw ingredients are inspected immediately upon arrival at the receiving dock.
Watch your alignment on lane 2.
Each lot is tagged for full traceability before inspection.
Basic parameters are verified to confirm suitability for processing.
Approved lots are released to first in, first out flow.
Each lot is weighed to confirm intake quantities.
Trained staff assess external quality and defect levels. Defects are graded against acceptance specifications.
Non-conforming lots are isolated pending decision.
Accepted carrots are staged for controlled unloading.
Carrots are gently unloaded to prevent damage. Flow is regulated to ensure stable downstream washing.
Carrots enter the primary wash flume for soil removal.
Air agitation enhances gentle cleaning without damage. A spray rinse removes loosened soil from surfaces.
Sanitized water reduces microbial load before final rinse.
Residual sanitizer is removed with a final rinse. Excess surface water is removed before inspection.
Cleanliness is verified before sorting begins.
Carrots advance to manual inspection under controlled speed.
Obvious defects are removed manually.
Optical sorting detects remaining color and shape defects.
Non-conforming carrots are automatically rejected. Accepted carrots move forward to preparation.
Carrots are aligned to ensure uniform cutting.
Carrots are cut into manageable pieces for grinding. Piece size is controlled for consistent extraction. Prepared pieces feed steadily into the grinder.
The audio features the sound of machinery, including the mechanical hum and grinding of a grinder.
Grinding produces a uniform carrot mash.
Ash is transferred gently to the pulping stage.
Further refining improves pulp smoothness.
The finisher delivers a consistent carrot pulp.
Coarse carrot fiber is diverted for byproduct processing.
Fiber is prepared for mechanical dewatering.
Final sieving removes remaining particulates.
Entrapped air is removed to protect quality.
Pulp is buffered to stabilize downstream flow. fiber moisture is reduced mechanically. Process water is directed to wastewater treatment. Dewatered fiber advances to drying.
Buffered pulp is transferred forward under sanitary conditions.
Pulp enters the blend tank for specification control.
Gentle mixing ensures uniform composition.
Product parameters are verified against specification. Approved pulp is sent to heat treatment.
Pulp enters the pasteurizer for controlled heat treatment.
Temperature is monitored as a critical control point. Cleaning in place prepares equipment for the next run. Cleaning solution is heated to enhance soil removal. Used cleaning solution is safely discharged.
Equipment cleanliness is verified before release. Lines are released only after cleaning verification.
The facility is ready for the next production cycle.
Let's check the history. Okay, the bricks levels are consistent with the target range. We can accept this.
Retained samples are stored for traceability.
Holding time ensures microbial safety.
Treated pulp moves through sterilized piping.
Aseptic holding balances, filling operations.
Sterile connections protect product integrity. Pulp is filled into sterile bag-in-box packaging. Packages are sealed immediately after filling. Each unit is coded for traceability. Filled weight is automatically verified. Seals are inspected to ensure integrity. Finished units are palletized automatically. Pallets are stabilized for storage and transport.
Finished product is transferred to controlled storage.
Pallets are selected according to FIFO rules. Orders are staged at the loading dock.
Product is loaded for outbound distribution.
Processed wastewater first passes through coarse screening.
Raw handling areas are cleaned after intake operations.
Final blend values are confirmed before release.
Samples are taken to verify microbiological safety.
aseptic barriers are verified for integrity. The production batch is formally closed in the system.
Product tanks are rinsed immediately after batch closure.
Rinse completion is verified before full cleaning.
Quality assurance releases the shipment.
Aseptic fillers are purged to maintain sterility.
Lines are secured after production completion. Final facility checks ensure readiness.
Production data is compiled for records.
Aseptic tanks are confirmed empty at day's end.
Critical control records are archived for compliance. Transport vehicles are positioned for final loading. Dock equipment ensures safe pallet transfer. The final pallets are positioned securely inside the truck. Loads are secured to prevent movement during transport. Trailer doors are sealed to protect the shipment.
The loaded truck is weighed before departure.
The finished carrot pulp shipment leaves the facility.